Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss an important TCS NQT 14th shift question. The question is given an array of integer, count the frequency of each element and return the element that has highest frequency. If multiple elements has the same frequency, return the smallest element among them. So this is one of the, I think, easiest question according to me. Let's go to the inputs. The first line will be having the n integer value, and the second line it will be having the uh, n numbers separated with spaces, and the output we have to just print a single integer element that has the highest frequency. And that here the catch is, if there are multiple elements has the same frequency, then return the smallest element. So if we have to take the smallest element uh, after frequency, after doing the frequency of that each element, so how to do, we'll discuss further in the code. So let's move to the test cases, that is the six elements here and the six values separated with space. See here, one has the high frequency of 2, and 3 has the frequency of 2, 2 has a frequency of 1, 4 has a frequency of 1. So here these two has the highest frequency, that is with the 2 frequency, but in this the smallest one we have to return, that is the 1. So the answer here we have to return is 1 only. Okay, like this. So let's move to the solution part. So these are the inputs, import statements. Leave that. There is a scanner class. Okay, I have taken this scanner class for the inputs. This is a new array, and therefore this is the array. I am taking the array element. This is the n integers. Okay, n integer value, and therefore see here I am doing the sort. Why I am doing sort means, see, they have clearly mentioned that if there are two elements with the same frequency, that is the maximum, with the maximum frequency, then you have to return the smallest element, not the biggest value element. Okay, so you have to return the smallest element. For example, if you would have the uh, a value like 43 and 45 with the same frequency, like 2 to, for assume, okay, now 42 has a frequency of 2, 43, sorry, 43 has a frequency of 2, and 45 has a frequency of 2. So what you have to return, you have to return 43. What if you would have in the array, what if you would have the 45 first, then 43 at the, okay, 45 as the first element and 43 as the first last element. So if we go in the normal brute force technique, so it will return 43 45 first. Okay, now it will return 45, that it has a highest frequency, like that. So to get the 43, see, we will sort. If we sort, what will happen, 43 will come first and 45 will go at the last. I'm just uh, telling the middle, in the middle there might be many elements, leave about that. 43 and 45, then it will get sorted. Now 43 will come first and then 45 will come, then you can aram say return that 43 has the maximum frequency, like that. So here what I have done is I have sorted. See, that's why I have sorted here. Then I have taken the hash map. I hope you guys know the syntax of HashMap. So just this, you, I think you guys know, in the in the previous videos also I have mentioned that this is the logic for the frequency. Okay, now finding the frequency of all the array elements. Okay, map dot contents of array of I, map dot put of array of I, comma m dot get of array of I plus 1. See, if that element is already present, we are just incrementing, we are taking that element, we are getting, and we are incrementing that particular element plus 1. If that element is not at all present in that map, just we are putting that element with a frequency of 1. Okay, now like that. And then we have declared one variable called maximum, and I have just, see, first what I am doing, see, I am iterating on that array, and I am finding the frequencies. Okay, 1 3 2 4. Okay, now I have finded the frequency. Assume this is a map only. Okay, now this, it is looking like a map only. So I have finded the frequencies also. In this, see, this, what this loop will do is, this loop will find which is the maximum element in this values. Okay, now which is the maximum element in this values, not these are the keys, these are values. Okay, which is the maximum element in this values, that these are the frequencies only. No, in that we want maximum frequency, maximum, no. So Here maximum is equals to mat dot max of value comma value means I am iterating loop on value c. M dot values means map only. In the map just take values array. Okay, now just take values array. So this it will iterate on just values array, that is 2211. Okay, 2211 it will iterate, and okay, now it will compare 2 with all the elements. 2211 we will get that which is the maximum. 2 is the maximum, so in the maximum variable we will get 2. And then I am iterating on. See, there are two methods, that is key set also. What key set will do, it will iterate only on keys. Okay, now it will iterate only on keys. Okay, now you have to know that keys set will only iterate. Okay, now it will give only the array of keys. Values will give only the array of, okay, now values in that map. Okay, after that, key, okay, now colon, I'm iterating on that loop, and therefore m dot get of m.get off. And then you see we are iterating on the key set, and then just see map dot get off key, what it will give. Map dot get off key, it will give value only, value at that particular position. Map dot get off, okay, now 1 it will give 2. Map dot get off 3 it will give 2. Map dot get off 2 it will give 1. Map dot get off 4 it will give 1. And then like that I am finding whichever value has the maximum, whichever key has maximum frequency. I'm finding that key. Okay, and just I'm printing that key and I'm breaking. See, that's it. I hope you guys understood this logic. Let's run this logic once. I think you guys will understand once I run this logic. I will copy paste the input elements also. If I hit enter, see, it is giving the correct output as one. I hope you guys understood this logic. Thanks for watching. Bye.